welcome back to another video of Veranda Malayalam YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss Vedic Mathematics Part 2. Already we have discussed one session. Now this is the continuation of that session, right? And today, first what is the shortcut we are going to discuss is shortcuts for square and square root. Any number given, how we can find the square within seconds, right? By seeing a perfect square, how we can get the square root of that number, right? So that we are going to discuss today, right? Now, for any competitive exam, right? Any competitive exam, either it is bank exam or SSC, railway, it is safe to study up to 1 to 35 square, right? See, this already everyone know. Up to 10 square everyone know, right? Now, this 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, like that. Some people who are preparing, they know this very well, up to 20 square. But up to 35 square we have to study. Up to 35 square we have to study, right? 1 to 35 square, then cubes means at least up to 25 cubes we should know, right? That means it will be helpful for simplification question, number series question, then it will be helpful for reasoning missing character question also. Therefore, square we should study up to 35 square and 25 cube, right? Now, other than that, other than 35 square, some numbers are there, right? Some other numbers. For example, we want to find a square of 58. We want to find a square of 68, any number, right? So, what is the shortcut is, how we can find out the square of any number, right? For example, first we take one number, that is finding a square of a number, that is 57 square, now we want to find out. 57 square, now we are going to find out, right? What is the shortcut? Listen. So 57 given, right? 57 given, consider unit digit separately. Consider the unit digit alone separately, 7. Remaining one more digit alone there, 5, right? Now, first what we have to do is, for that unit digit, find the square. 7 square separately, remaining digit 5 is there, that 5 square separately. 7 square separately, 5 square separately, right? 5 square, what is the value? 25. 7 square, what is the value? 49, right? See how we are doing any number, first we have to take the unit digit alone for that square, remaining what is the digit? Only one digit is there, 5. For that square, 5 square, 7 square, right? Now, next what we have to do is, listen, for these numbers, 5, 7 square, right? 57 square. Now, we assume there is a multiplication symbol between this 5, 7 and 2. We assume like that. There is a multiplication symbol between this 5, 7 and 2. Now, multiply these digits, 5 7s are 35. 35 into 2 is what? 70, right? Just multiply this. 5 into 7 into 2, 70, right? Now, leave the last digit, leave the last digit, right? Leave the last digit, and how we can write that 70 is, listen how I am writing, in this method you write 70. Leave the last digit, then from the tens digit you write this number 70, right? 70. Now add everything, we will get the square. We add everything, we will get the square of 57. This is the shortcut, right? So 9, 4, 5 plus 7 is what? 12, remaining 1, 3. Therefore, 3249 is this 3249 is the square of 57. This is the shortcut, right? First, taking unit digit, that square separately. Remaining how much number is there? Only one number. That number separately we are taking 5 square, right? That is 5 and 7 separately, individually finding square of this. Then what we are doing? There is a multiplication symbol between 5, 7 and 2. Therefore, 5 into 7 into 2, 70. We have to leave the last digit. Don't forget, leave the last digit. And remaining place, you fill this number, right? Then add everything, we will get the square of the value, square of this value, right? Now, one more example, right? One more number we take. One more number we take. We take any number, right? Any number, this is a shortcut, right? So we take a number 78, right? 78 square, now we want to find out. How we can find out? How we can find out? Yes. So separate this number first. 7 square, 8 square. 7 square is what? 49. 8 square is what? 64. Right? Now next what we have to do? There is a multiplication symbol between these numbers. Therefore, 7 into 8 into 2. 7 8s are 56. 56 into 2 is what? 56 into 2 is 112. We are getting a 3-digit number 112. Right? How we can write this? Leave the last digit. Last digit we should not touch. Leave. 112. 112 we can write like this. 112. 112. Remaining place you fill with 112. Right? Now add everything easy. Right? 4, 8, 10. Remaining 1 is there. 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore, the result of 78 square is what? 6084. Result of 78 square is what? 6084. This is the shortcut. Clear? Now we do some examples in this. Based on this shortcut, we are going to work out some examples. Right? 78 square. So now only we have did. Therefore, you find the answer for 86 square, you find out. 86 square, you find out. Find the answer for 86 square and give the answer in the chat box. Right? Got the answer? Find the answer for 86 square. Yes. Give the answer, give the answer. Same shortcut. Same shortcut we can apply. Right? So 86 square, right? What we can do? We can separate this number first. 8 separate, 6 separate, right? Now 8 square, first find out 8 square, then find out 6 square. 8 square 64, 6 square is what? 36, right? Now next what we have to do? 8 into 6 into 2, 8 into 6 into 2. 8 6 are 48, 48 into 2 is what? 96. Now leave the last digit 96. Write like this, 96, right? 96. Now add everything, 6, 9, 13, 7. Therefore, 7396. 7396 is the square of 86. 7396 is the square of 86, right? 64, 36, 8 into 6 into 2, 48 into 2, 96. Leave the last digit, write the remaining. Clear? Yes. Sherin got the answer. Good, good. Others? Okay, right. Good, Sherin, right? Now, next practice for you, right? Find the answer for 89 square. Find the answer for 89 square. Find the answer for 89 square. $89 square, yes. Try. So first what we can do? 8 square, then 9 square, right? 8 square is what? 64, 9 square is what? 81, right? Then multiplication symbol, that is 8 into 9 into 2, 8 into 9 into 2, that's all, 8 into 9 into 2. So 8 into 9 into 2, 8 9s are 72. 72 into 2 is what? 144, right? We have to leave the last digit, 144 we can write like this, 144. Now add everything, 1, 12, remaining 9, then we have 7, 7, 9, 2, 1, 7, 9, 2, 1. Good, Maheshwari, Sherin got the answer, 7, 9, 2, 1, yes, that is the right answer. 7, 9, 2, 1, yes, 7, 9, 2, 1, right? Now, So 9 square we have taken 81. Okay, 9 square we have taken 81, 8 square 64. Now in case we are getting a number 2. For example, 2 square. 2 square is what? 2 square is 4. But always write it as a 2-digit 04. Right? 2 square 4, but always write it as a double-digit number 04. 1 square is what? 1. For this shortcut, we have to write it as 01. Right? 3 square is what? 9. In this shortcut, we have to write it as 09. Right? 1 means 1 square 1, but write it as 01. 2 square 4, 04. 3 square 9, 09. Right? From 4 onwards, we will have a 2-digit number. 4 square is what? 16. Right? Now, try these questions. Try this question. Try this with the shortcut. One square, we have to write it as 01, right? 01. Yes. One square, 01. So now we know the method, right? Now we know the method. In exam paper, don't write 8 square separately, 1 square separately like that. We have to reduce writing, right? We should not write lot of things in the exam, right? What we have to do, by seeing this, we have to write 8 square 64, 1 square 01. That's all. We know the method, we studied, we practiced. Now hereafter, we have to write directly. 8 square 64, 1 square 01. Now 8 into 1 into 2. 8 into 1, 8. 8 twos are what? 16. 16. Leave the last digit 16. Then 16 write like this. Now directly we can add 6561. 6561 is the square of 81. 6561. 6561. Right? Now find the answer for this 38 square. Now within seconds we can able to solve. How we can solve? 3 square. 3 square is what? 9. But we have to write it as 09. That's all. 8 square is what? 64. Now 3 into 8 into 2. 3 into 8 into 2 is what? 24 into 2, 48. Leave the last digit, write 48 here. Now add everything. 4, 14. Remaining 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 1,444. 1,444. 1,444. 1,444. 1,444. Got the answer? Yes. Again, Sherin is giving answer. Good. Right? Yes. Both are right answer. Sherin, both are right answer. Good. Now, 3-digit number, right? In case 3-digit number is there, how we can work out? Same shortcut we can apply. For a 3-digit number also, we can apply the same shortcut. That is, one 3-digit number we take, right? That is 3-digit number. For example, we take a number 124. 124 square we want to find out. 124 square. Any 3-digit number, right? Any number we can take. First, what we have to do? Unit digit alone separately we have to take. That is the first thing. Unit digit alone separately we have to take. Now, remaining we have a number 12. How we have to read this? Not 1, 2. We have to take it as 12. That's all. Therefore, how we can apply the shortcut is, listen, 12 square, unit digit alone we have to take separately. Unit digit separately. Remaining 1 digit is there? Okay, that square we have taken. Here remaining 2 digits, right? Therefore, consider that as a single number 12. 12 square, 4 square, right? So, 12 square is what? 144. 4 square is what? 16. 12 square 144, 4 square is what? 16, right? Now next same shortcut. Consider multiplication symbol in between these numbers. That is 12, 4, 2, multiplication. 12 into 4 is what? 12 into 4 is what? 48. 48 into 2 is what? 96, right? Same shortcut, leave the last digit, write 96 here, 96, 96. Clear? Now add everything. 6, 7, 13, 5, 1. 15376. 15376. 15,376. Right, 15,376. Clear? Now, you know the method, right? Now, we are going to work out some examples. Clear this? Unit digit alone first we have to take, remaining we have to take it as a whole number, same shortcut we can apply. Right? Same shortcut we can apply. Now, try the answer for this question. 158 square. Try the answer. 158 square. Try. 158 square. 158 square. Try this. 158 square. Yes. $158 square. Same. 8 separately, remaining 15. 15 separately. Then 15 square, 8 square. Then 15 into 8 into 2. 15 into 8 into 2. Then we have to add everything. Right. $15 square, 8 square. Got the answer? $15 square separate, 8 square separate. Yes, good. Good. Sherin got the answer. Others? Trying? Okay. Now, 15 square. 15 square is what? 225. 8 square is what? 64. That's all. 15 square 225, 8 square 64. Now, 15 into 8 into 2. 15 into 8 is what? 120. 15 into 8 is what? 120. 120 into 2 times is what? 240. Leave the last digit 240. Fill 240 here. Right? Now add everything. What is the value we are getting? 24964. 24964. 46942. Right? Now by seeing the number itself we can confirm no carry is there. Therefore directly we can add. Clear? Because 2 and 2 we are adding, 5 and 4 we are adding, no carry is there. Therefore directly we can add. Right? 24964. Right? Now try this number 134. 134. 13 square, 4 square. So we'll see how many of you are giving answer quickly, right? Try. $13 square and 4 square. Right. Good. Sherin, good. Right answer, right? Now 13 square is what? 169. 4 square is what? 16. 4 square 16. Now multiply everything. That is 13 into 4 into 2. 13 into 4 is what? 52. 13 into 4, 52. 52 into 3 is what? 104. 52 into 3 is 52. 52 into 2 is what? 104. Leave the last digit. Leave the last digit 104. Now, shall we add directly? 17956. 17956. 17956. 17,956. 17,956. Right? See, any number, the same shortcut we can apply for any number, right? Any number. But the first thing we have to take out the unit digit. Then remaining we have to consider as a single number, that's all. Then same shortcut we can apply, right? Now, try this also, right? Try this. Now, don't write square separately, directly write the number, directly write the second step, add everything, get the answer. One 168 square. One 168 square, 16 square, 256. 8 square is what? 64. Right? 8 square is what? 64. Now, we have taken unit digit separately, remaining number single digit. There is a multiplication between these symbols. Right? 16 into 8 into 2. 16 into 8 is what? 16 into 8, 128. Right? 128 into 2 is what? 128 into 2, 256. 256. Now, leave the last digit. 256 we can write here, 256, right? Now add everything, 4, 12, remaining 1, 7 plus 5 become 12, remaining 1, 7 plus 1, 8, then again 2, 2, 8, 28,224, 28,224, right? Good, correct answer, Shireen, 28,224. Now 173 square, how we can find out? 3 square and 17 square. So 17 square is what? 289. 3 square is what? 9, single digit. But we have to write in a double digit, right? So write it as a double digit, 09. 289 and 09, right? Now 17 into 3 into 2. 17 into 3 into 2, what is the value? 17 3s are 51. 51 into 2, 102. 51 into 2, 102. Leave the last digit and write 102 like this, right? Therefore, 9, 2, 9, 9, 2. That is 29,929, right? 29,929, right? How we are writing? 3 square, 09. 17 square is what? 289. 17 into 3, 51. 51 into 2 is what? 102. Leave the last digit, 102, we are writing like this. 9, 2, 9, 9, 2. 29929, right? Clear? So this is the shortcut for square of a number. For any number, we can approach with this shortcut, right? Now, so here the students of Veranda race, what are the advantages, what are the benefits they are getting is full class, right? That is syllabus oriented classes, then practice circles. After the practice circle, students are engaged in the extreme circle, right? Then after that, super batch, one exam is there. Then after that, people are selected for the super batch, special coaching is there. Then lab facility we are providing. Any exam interview is there, interview guidance also, mock interview classes also. That is, any student in Veranda race, students are getting, that is 6 level of practice method, right? And for admissions, contact this number. For offline batches, you can contact this number. Currently, online batches is also running. For online batches, you contact this number. For offline class, online class. Please note down these numbers, right? Okay. Then, next what we are going to do is square root of a perfect square, right? Square root of a perfect square we are going to find out, right? For that, first certain basic things we should know. Listen, 1 square is nothing but 1, right? 11 square is what? 121. 11 square means 121. Therefore, 1 square 1, 11 square 121. Therefore, any number ends with 1, its square ends with 1. Any number ends with 1, its square ends with 1. At the same time, you see this 9 square 81. 9 square 81. Therefore, 19 square also you see. 19 square, what is the value? 361. From this, what we can understand is, any number ending with 9, that square ends with 1. Right? That is, any number ending with 1 or any number ending with 9, square of this number always ends with 1. Square of this number always ends with 1. Right? First important thing. Now, next combination you see, 2 square we know very well, 2 square 4. Right? 12 square 144. This also we know very well. Right? You see the last digit, 2 square 4, 12 square 12. Last digit is what? 2. Its square ends with 4. Any number ending with 2, square ends with 4. Right? Same combination you see, 8 square ending with 8 square is what? 64. Therefore, 8 square also ends with 4. 18 square, any number ending with 8, its square ends with 4. Right? Any number, last digit 8 means square ends with 4. Right? So, what is the combination? The last digit of a number 2, or if a last digit of a number is 8, square of a number ends with 4. Square of a number ends with 4. Right? Like that, 13 square you check. 13 square is what? 169. And at the same time, 17 square, we worked example, 17 square is what? 289. You see this combination? 13 square 169, 17 square 289. Right? Therefore, listen, any number ending with 3 or ending with 7, its square ends with 9. Right? If a number ends with 3 or a number ends with 7, its square ends with 9 always. Right? Then next one more combination is there, that is 4 and 6. Right? 4 and 6, again next combination. What is this combination? 14 square. 14 square means what? Number ending with 4. Square ends with what? 6, 196. Right? 16 square, number ending with 6. Square ends with what? 6, 256. Therefore, last digit of a number is 4 or 6 means square ends with 6. Square ends with 6. Right? 1 and 9 means square ends with 1. 2 and 8 means square ends with 4. Last digit of a number 3 and 7 means square ends with 9. Last digit of a number 4 and 6 means square a last digit will be 6. Right? Now, next one 5. 5 square always ends with 5 only. Right? Any number ending with 5, square ends with 5. 0 also, square ends with 0. Clear? 5 means last digit of a number is 5, square ends with 5. Last digit of a number is 0, square is 0. Right? This combination alone we should know. Right? 1 and 9, 1, 2 and 8 means 4, 3 and 7 means 9, 4 and 6 means 6. This is the basic for this shortcut. Right? Now we are going to find out the square root of a number with this basic. Right? Now this square root we have to find out. 3136, square root of this we are going to find out. Right? First, see the last digit of this number, 6. Which number square ends with 6? If a number ends with 4, square ends with 6. Or if a number ends with 6, square ends with 6. Right? 4 or 6. Therefore, we understand that number ending with 4 or that number ending with 6. It may be any number ending with 4, its square ends with 6. Or any number ending with 6, its square also ends with 6. Right? First we find the last digit. Now next what we have to do is, for a square root shortcut, eliminate last 2 digits. Leave last 2 digits. Cancel last 2 digits. Right? Now take the remaining value. Remaining value what we are having? 31. Remaining value is what? 31. Now what we have to do is, previous perfect square. Remaining value we have 31. What is the previous perfect square? What is the previous perfect square? 25. Right? 31 we have remaining. Previous perfect square of that number we have to check, 25. 25 is which square? 5 square, right? Therefore, 5 we can write at this place. Clear? So we understand that number is 54 or 56. That number is 54 or 56, right? The square root of 3136 is either 54 or 56. But we have to confirm the right answer. Which is the right answer we have to confirm. For that what we have to do is, listen, now we have taken a perfect square 25, so we have taken a number 5. Now only we have taken a number 5, right? That 5 into next number, what is the value? Check. 5 into next number, 5 into 6, what is the value? 30. But here, what is the number we are having? 31. Therefore, this 5 into next number 30. But we are having a number 31. Greater. That means choose the greater number. This is the right answer. Clear? Greater means we have to choose the greater number. This is the right answer. Clear? So I repeat quickly, listen. First see the last digit and confirm the unit digit. Either that number ends with 4 or that number ends with 6. But we don't know what is the actual number. Last digit alone we find out, either 4 or 6. Right? Now what we have to do is cancel the last 2 digits. Cancel it out. Remaining we have a number 31. For this 31, which is the perfect square, we have to check. Perfect square is what? 25. Therefore, we understand 5 square is 25. Therefore, that 5 we are taking here, previous. Therefore, this number is, it may be 54 or it may be 56. We don't know, right? How we can confirm that is, now we have taken a common number 5. That 5 into next number in the numerical order. 5 into 6, we can check quickly, 30. Here this number is 31. This 31 is more than this value. Therefore, choose the highest number. Among that 2 options, choose the highest number. Right? 2 possibilities, choose the highest number. Right? This is the shortcut. Right? Now, this question also I will work out. Right? Now, listen. 4761. 4761. First see the unit digit and confirm which number square ends with 1. If a number ending with 1, its square ends with 1. Or if a number ending with 9, 9 square 81, its square also ends with 1. Therefore, last digit it may be 1 or 9. Right? Last digit is 1 or 9. Okay. Next step what to do? We have to leave these 2 digits. Last 2 digits, cancel it out. No need. We no need. Cancel it out. Right? Now remaining which number we are having? 47. Right? 47. Previous perfect square of 47 is what? 36. 36. Right? Therefore, 36 is a square of 6. Therefore, you write that number 6. 6. Therefore, the result is root of 4761 is either 61 or 69. Right? Now, we have to confirm which is the right answer for this. For that, what we are doing is, now we have taken this common number 6. Right? That 6 into 7 you check. That's all. 6 into next number. We are getting a value. 6 into 7 we know very well. What is the result? 42. Right? But here the given number is 47. The given number starts with 47. 6 into 7 itself we are getting 42. Right? But the given number is 47. Therefore, highest number we have to choose. Out of 61, 69, which is greater? 69. Therefore, this is the perfect square. Right? That is 69 square is 4761. This is the method. Right? Like that, you try the next question, 5776. Try this. 5776. 5776. Clear? Many of you are giving answers. Clear everyone? Maheshwari, Sherin, Sita, Lakshmi, clear? Clear the shortcut? Yes? The number is 5776. 5776. Clear with this, everyone? So last digit is what? 6. Last digit is 6. Therefore, that number ends with what? The number ends with either 4 or 6. Right? Because 4 square 16, 6 square 36. That number, the square root of this number will be ending with 4 or 6. Right? Now we have to leave the last 2 digit 57. Which is the previous perfect square? 49. 49. Therefore, we can take 7 square 49. That 7 we can take as a previous digit. 7. 74 or 76. Now we have to confirm what is the correct answer, 74 or 76. For that, what we are doing? Now we have taken a number 7. Right? That 7 into 8. Next number you check, we are getting a value 56. 56. But here they have given 57. 57. That 57 is more than this 56. 57 is more than this 56. Therefore, choose the highest number. This is the value. Clear? 76. Very good. Sherin, 76. Good. Good. Right? 76. Okay. Clear? 76. Right. Now, try this. By seeing last digit. See, any lengthy number they can give. Same concept. See the last digit, confirm the last digit. Then cancel last 2 digits. Last 2 digit we have to cancel. Right? Last 2 digit we have to cancel. Clear? Last 2 digit we have to cancel. Yes. Now 153. Previous perfect square is what? 144. 144 means what? 12. 144 is 12 square. So write 12 here. Right? 12. Now what we can do? Now only we have taken a number 12. 12 into next number, quickly check in the exam. 12 into next number is what? 12 into 13, 156. But here only 153 only there. 153 alone there. Therefore, out of 144, 146, by checking with this 156, we confirm 153 less. Therefore, choose the lowest number. Among the 2 numbers, choose the lowest number. That is the result. Clear? Choose the lowest number. Right? Now, next number, see, 9 is the last digit. Therefore, the number maybe ends with 3 or ends with 7. Ends with 3 or ends with 7. Clear? Now, leave the last 2 digit. Take the remaining number 187. Previous perfect square is what? 169. 169 means what? 13 square. 13 square 169. 13 square 169. Right? 169. Now next step what we have to do? Now we have taken this number 13. That 13 into 14 we have to check. Quickly we have to check. Clear? Quickly we have to check. Got the answer? 13 into 14 we have to quickly check. Check and confirm the answer. Clear? So 13 into 14. So 13 into 14, what is the result we are getting? 13 into 14 is 182. 13 into 14, what is the result? 182. This number more than 182. Therefore, highest value. Among this highest value. This is the result. Among this highest value. Right? 137. Right? 137. Clear? Right. Now, next number. 21904. 4. Therefore, what may be the last digit? Either it will ends with 2 or it will ends with 8. Right? Now, cancel the last 2 digit. So, take this 219. Which is the previous perfect square? For 219, previous perfect square is 196. 196. Therefore, 196 is a square of 14. 14. Right? Now, quickly we have to check. Now, we have taken this number 14. Now, only we have taken this number 14. That 14 into next number 15. 14 into 15, what is the value? 14 into 15 is 210. 14 into 15 is what? 210. Right? 210 we are getting. This number 219. See? 210, 219. More than 210. Therefore, choose the greatest, highest number. Choose the highest number. 148. 148. Clear? Same thing we can do with this. Right? 9. Last digit 9. Therefore, the number it may ends with 3 or it may ends with 7. 3 square 9, 7 square 49. Now cancel last two digit 497. Which is the previous perfect square? 484. 484. Therefore, it is 22 square is 484. Now quickly we have to check what is 22 into 23. Clear? What is 22 into 23? So 22 into 23, what is the value? We get a higher number more than this. We get a higher number more than this. Therefore, we can say the answer is 223. We can say the answer is 223. Right? Answer is 223. Yes, 137. Some of you gave the answer. Yes, Sherin gave the answer. Good. Right? Understand? So, any lengthy number, this is the method. See the last digit, confirm the last digit of the square. Right? Then next what we have to do is cancel the last two digit. Remaining what is the number? Previous perfect square. For that, take the square root. Then that number into next number. Quickly we have to check. Right? Then this number is more than that, means out of the two possibilities, choose the highest. That number less. Out of two possibilities, choose the lowest number. This is the shortcut. Clear? Clear? So hope you all understand this. So with this, we'll conclude our session. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.